Hi students, welcome back to my channel Electronics Express. Today in this video, let us learn about what are the important comparisons between the self-inductance and the mutual inductance. Now moving on to the topic, first let us see the comparison table between the self-inductance and the mutual inductance. So this is the comparison table between the self-inductance and the mutual inductance. Now let us see the self-inductance phenomenon. The self-inductance phenomenon is that it causes a reverse EMF to be induced in a coil or a circuit due to the change in the flow of the current in the same coil or a circuit. Whereas in the case of the mutual inductance, it is the phenomenon that causes an induced EMF to be generated in a coil or a circuit due to the change in the flow of the current in the neighboring coil or the circuit. The next comparison is the self-inductance is the property of the coil, whereas the mutual inductance is the property of the pair of the coils. The third comparison is, in the case of the self-inductance, L is represented as a constant and which is also called as the coefficient of the self-inductance. Whereas in the case of the mutual inductance, M is the constant and which is also known as the coefficient of mutual inductance of the two coils. And the last comparison is, in the case of the self-inductance, the self-induction of a coil is dependent on its dimensions. Whereas in the case of the mutual inductance, for a pair of coils, the mutual inductance depends on their dimensions as well as the respective orientations. So these are some of the important comparisons between the self-inductance and the mutual inductance. Now let us see the question of the day. The question is, mutual inductance between two magnetically coupled coils depends on dash. This is the question. The first option is permeability of the core material. Second option is number of turns of the coils. The third option is cross-sectional area of their common core, and the last option is all of the above. So if you know the answer, comment me the answer in the comment section. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like this video and understand the concept of what are the important comparisons between the self-inductance and the mutual inductance. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Electronics Express, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel.